In today's fast-paced society, it's more important than ever to take care of our health. That's why many people are turning to probiotics for a natural and effective solution. But what exactly are probiotics and how do they work? Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. They can be found in certain foods and supplements, and when consumed, they help restore the natural balance of bacteria in your gut. The word probiotics comes from the Greek language, meaning for life, referring to the supporting role these bacteria have for the digestive system's health. According to World Health Organization, probiotics are live microorganisms which, when administered in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. Probiotics are packed with numerous health benefits. One of the main benefits of probiotics is their ability to improve digestion. They help your body break down food more efficiently, allowing for better nutrient absorption. This can lead to decreased bloating, gas, and discomfort. Have you been feeling down lately? Probiotics might be the solution. A study made in Netherlands in 2015 showed that a probiotic supplement taken for a period of 4 weeks decreased depression sensitivity, improving mood, and helping people to deal better with sad emotions. Also, in 2016, Health Canada, the agency that approves the use of foods in Canada, declared that a particular probiotic product helps manage anxiety and mood. Do you know, probiotics can also help to relieve symptoms of lactose intolerance, including abdominal pain, diarrhea, and flatulence? Yes, you heard it right. Lactobacillus acidophilus is a lactic acid bacteria that is used to make yogurt. Probiotics can help with lactose intolerance by reducing the concentration of lactose in fermented products, like yogurt, increasing the activity of the enzyme that breaks down lactose, and also helping the body maintain a healthy community of microorganisms. Now let's talk about some other important benefits of probiotics, that is to boost your immune system. By enhancing the good bacteria in your gut, they help fight off harmful microbes that can lead to infections and illness. This can result in fewer sick days and a stronger overall well-being. Latest research also found that probiotics can decrease cancer incidence, prevent coronary heart disease, and treat vaginal and urinary tract infections. Do you struggle with skin issues? Probiotics can help with that. These mighty bacteria can reduce inflammation and improve skin conditions like acne and eczema. Not to mention, probiotics can even aid in weight management too. They help regulate your appetite, increase feelings of fullness, and assist in maintaining a healthy weight. So, how can you incorporate probiotics into your daily routine? Luckily, they come in various forms, such as supplements, fermented foods like yogurt or kimchi, and even probiotic drinks. Choose the option that suits you best. So, what can you expect when taking probiotics? Results may vary, but many individuals experience improved digestion, increased energy levels, and a strengthened immune system. It's important to note that probiotics are not a quick fix, and it may take time for the benefits to fully manifest. To achieve the best results, it's recommended to choose a high-quality probiotic supplement and follow the recommended dosage. As always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new dietary regimen. And there you have it, the amazing health benefits of probiotics. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to optimize your well-being. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips.